All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are here with the Corvette C6 and Gabriel, of course.
Hello.
And we are going to do our first modification on the car, which is going to be air filters. We've got a cabin air filter as well as 2 engine air filters over here. Let's take out the old ones, replace it with the new ones, and shout out Wix. We've got all Wix filters. I chose this brand because this one is a good in-between of keeping everything out of the car as well as providing a little bit of performance, since I will be daily driving this thing. So let's get into it. All right, so the first air filters we're going to be changing are going to be the engine air filters. I have 2, one here, one on the other side of the air intake. And then after we do that one, we will get up into the cabin air filter, which is on the passenger side, tucked away above the battery. So let's open up this first one, see what we're dealing with.
Okay. All right.
Not too bad.
It's okay.
Sweet, okay. Let me open up this other one on the other side.
Okay.
Not too bad, honestly.
Yeah.
Could use a little bit of a replacement though. Sweet. Alrighty. We're going to open up the first engine air filter here. See what it looks like. Oh, nice. It's going to be yellow instead of white. I'll take it. Slides just in like the other one does, and hopefully it fits. That's the goal here.
Yeah, it fits.
Nice. We like that. And then we just slide it right back in where we got it. Lock her in place. Boom.
Done and done.
First one's installed. Let's go over to the other side. All right, we got the second one here. Bingo. It's kind of hard to with the hood here, you know? Oops. Boom.
Boom. Dude, easiest mod ever.
Engine air filters replaced.
Stage 5.
Okay, we've got the final air filter here. It's going to be the cabin air filter. This one's a little bit bigger. I'm going to take it out first. There's 3 clips in here you have to pull up. And this guy comes off. And air filter comes out. I'm excited to see what this one looks like.
Oh no. Oh. Oh.
It looks original to me.
Oh, jeez.
That is brutal. Change your filters, people. Wow.
Oh.
Insane.
Okay. Well, this one's now.
Okay, we're opening up the new one. I wonder if this one's gonna be yellow as well. It's not.
Oh, it isn't.
But it looks much better than the old one.
Let's do a comparison.
Look at that.
Wow.
Wow. So it should just slide in there nice and easy.
You sure about that?
Bum, bum, bum.
Nice and easy.
Nice and easy. Maybe. Okay, okay.
All right. Shove her in for real.
For real this time. I'm gonna have to bend over for this one.
A very dynamic angle of this.
It's a very odd fitment for an air filter, not gonna lie.
You think it would slip right back in?
It's angled upwards.
Interesting.
It's not wanting it.
Huh.
annoying.
An eternity later.
All right. After a bit of finagling, she's in.
We got her in there. That was honestly a little bit more of a push than I was expecting, but she's in there.
Let's cap her up.
Let's put this back on. Boom, 3 clips. 1, 2, 3.
Boom.
Filters have been changed.
First mod.
There we go.
All right.
Not too bad. Only
No.
took a little bit. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do to the car is I got this CD player cleaning disc. I'm getting a warning on my screen every time I put a CD in saying that it can't read the disc any longer. So I went to the Corvette forums and they said to get something like this, put it in, give it a go, and it works well for them. Just gives the laser reader a bit of a clean. So let's turn it on and mess around with that. The AC is working again.
Wait, really?
Yeah, my AC broke, but now the AC is working, so
Okay.
it just needed a new cabin filter, I guess.
Thanks, GM.
Thanks, GM. Okay, there's the disc. It's got some bristles on the back. I hope this works. Give me the disc. There we go. Okay, moment of truth.
Disc goes in.
Disc goes in.
Cleaning it up in there.
I don't even know how to like.
Would you like play the disc or?
I think it goes in and spins for a bit. I don't even know how long to keep it in there for, honestly.
All right. Well.
Yeah, we'll check back in a second
Yeah.
here. All right, I just read the instructions here, and it does say it takes 20 to 30 minutes. So let's let that cook for a little bit, and we'll do something else.
See you soon. Okay. Heat gun for the badges to replace the badges.
New badges. I got new Corvette badges as well as the Z51 ones. These ones are a little bit bigger than my old ones, but I think it'll look just fine. So let's take off the old ones, put these ones on, and go from there.
Trusty Colgate. Not sponsored. Yet.
I think we have the CD in there long enough, so we are going to take it out now and put in an actual CD. We're gonna go with the Smiths.
Good choice.
Here's the cleaning one. I don't know if it did anything, to be honest. It looks like it may have. New CD going in. Closing her up. CD. It's still saying the same thing. But GM Forum did say leave the CD in there, turn the car off, give it 20 minutes, and it might start working again. So we'll try that before we freak out, and I can always try cleaning it again as well. So we'll let that sit.
We've moved on to adhesive remover, guile. Just kidding about the floss, guys. I've got fishing wire now. This combination is proven to work.
Who wants a free Corvette emblem? They have pins on the back. We weren't expecting those.
That's odd, yeah.
But we assume it's for when they put it on originally.
Yeah.
They can just put it straight in and make it nice and centered.
Let's get rid of this gunk.
Now we get rid of the gunk and we'll put the new ones on.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Nice. All right. Old and new. Old and new.
New logo. We're going to use the old placement as a nice lineup here.
Nice.
Boom.
Oh, good job. Dude, that's sweet.
Wow, it looks pretty good.
It looks brand new.
New Corvette logo, just like that, eh?
Just like that.
All right, we got the back one off. We're going to work on the front one here now. Now we know how to do it. So let's see if we can do it a bit quicker this time.
Pretty sun-worn there on the red bit, but you know, 20-year-old car held up pretty good. And there's the new one. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Almost there.
Oh,
It's going to come off in half.
broke this one. Oh, goodbye, Corvette emblem.
Nice.
Did you
Let's keep it like that.
melted? Yeah, keep it halfway.
So that's interesting. If I did want to debadge my car, I would just have two holes.
You just have holes. That's a good point, yeah. Strange. Yield. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Give me that. This piece is off now too.
And now we claw like gremlins.
Yeah. Now we claw at this thing.
We took this off. It broke in the process. We're putting these on.
Let's do it. Okay. So we did leave some of the residue on there because, I mean, we're just going to put this one on. It has the same residue on the back of this. So I don't really care to keep it nice and clean. And if anything, it'll just help it stick a bit more, so.
Just getting a video of it without the badge. Just if you want to look back on it.
Yeah, that's true. It does
like
look
it.
kind of cool, blacked out.
It's got nostrils.
Yeah. Maybe I'll go badgeless when I get a Z06 front bumper. Just
Spoiler?
kidding. Just kidding. We'll see. Not entirely, just kidding. Okay, here's the hard part.
No pressure. It's just like putting in an IV. Wow. You tell he's good at this?
That's as center as I can get it.
It looks center to me. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. Stand back.
I think it looks good, right?
Yes. Perfect. Wow.
Nice.
Dude, that looks so good.
There we go.
So new.
Let's go.
See the back as well. Same shot. Wow. Beautiful. So nice. I really, really like it. 2 more.
Okay, we started tackling the Z51 badge, and all I did was feed the wire through it. I'm already halfway. Check this out. This one was a lot easier than the other badges because it didn't have any of those pegs. So
Here's the new one. I'll get it out of there.
there's old.
Here's the new in the package.
It's a little bit bigger. I think we said that at the start, so yeah, there's that. Okay, so that badge is off. Again, here's the old badge, and here's the new one. Quite a bit bigger. I'm gonna try to line it up the best as I can. Where the old one was. There we go. Okay, here we go.
Watch out for skeeters.
I think that looks pretty good.
Oh, I'm excited to see it.
Nice. Yeah. Okay, and while we were taking the other side off and putting the new one on, Gabriel was working away on this side. How's it going?
Pretty dang good. I'm proud of myself with this.
Yeah, the hardest part is getting all this black gunk off,
Yeah.
honestly. Okay, that badge is all ready to go. Again, same as the other side. Let's put it on there. Also, I'm open to you guys dropping in the comments like different badges that you think might look better or whatever.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, please let us know. We are open to new things. So I'm just gonna get that cloth, push it on there a bit.
Looks good. Beautiful, dude.
Boom. There we
Oh.
have it. Z51, Corvette, Z51, and Corvette. They're all done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Eat Rod.